Dan sê hy, regstreeks hierso van die Standard Bank Klankbank af het ons SEMSA, CEMSA, SEMSA en Nick is die verteenwoordiger daar en hulle standplaasnommer is C46. SEMSA, Nick, C46. Nick, vertel ons bietjie SEMSA. Wat doen SEMSA? Watse produkte verskaf julle en waarvoor staan SEMSA?
Good day, hi there, my name is Nick. I'm based in Pretoria, but our dealer is in Louis Trichardt called Autot Bolt and Nut. We specialize in cleaning equipment, so we've been in the industry for over 35 years. We do misting solutions, chicken coop cleaning, truck washers, surface cleaning, anything specialized in cleaning equipment. So brushware, so we do the pack housing, drain cleaning, so anything to do with water, basically we do. At the end of the day, we specialize in if you need a special type of truck wash or wash bay to suit your needs, we will be able to assist you. Not a problem at all.
Okay, so you guys are basically in the cleaning equipment from A to Z. So if the citrus farming, you need certain stuff to wash the citrus in. Do you also supply that stuff?
That's correct. Yes, so basically we specialize in if you need a cleaning equipment, either single phase, three phase, even mobile stationary units. We specialize whatever your needs at the end of the day. We got pressure washers ranging from 100 bar all the way up to 500 bar, which I don't think you need in citrus farming, but we specialize from agricultural to mining equipment as well.
Okay, so washing bays, guys that's in the transport game and you need to wash your big trucks, you can speak to SEMSA, they can put in a washing bay for you with certain pressure washers to clean and wash your trucks and your fleets of vehicles, bakkies, trailers, right through to trucks, right through to fleet carts. Where can people get hold of SEMSA?
Alright, so we at SEMSA, one of our top dealers are in Autot, in Louis Trichardt called Autot Bolt and Nut. There's a gentleman there, the owner is called Ben, very friendly. They got sales staff, so anyone at the show needs a demo or demonstration, they can contact Autot Bolt and Nut. They are in Louis Trichardt, very friendly staff, and will be able to assist. They have machines on display there already. So I know I'm from Pretoria, but they do have machines on display to showcase all your needs.
Goed, so julle kan daarso by Nick en sy span gaan draai by hulle standplaas C46 SEMSA en hulle agent wat in hierdie area opereer is LTT Bolt and Nut. Ons almal ken LTT Bolt and Nut. Ons weet ken ook vir Ben. So as julle nie vir LTT Bolt and Nut ken nie, ook nie vir Ben ken nie, ek dink hy sal julle daar by die standplaas kan help en vir julle bietjie kan wys daar wat hulle alles het en bietjie met hulle gesels. En as jy dan van hierdie omgewing sal hy vir die kontakpersoon gee van die agent waar julle die produkte in die hande kan kry. Nick, is dit julle eerste jaar dat julle betrokke is hier by die Wiewe Boerebemarkingsdag?
Yeah, so I know Autot has been here for last year, and obviously it was also windy. This is our first time here showcasing our machines with Autot Bolt and Nut, but we'll definitely be here next year again with more variety of machines, and obviously, hopefully have a display as well, so you can test out the pressure of our machines.
Dan sê hy, baie dankie Nick, welkom hier so dan vir die eerste jaar en ons hoop om julle dan volgende jaar weer te sien en baie dankie dat julle ook 'n oop hand gehad het om by die Wiewe Boerebemarkingsdag betrokke te wees. Baie dankie aan SEMSA regstreeks hier van die Standard Bank Klankbank en mag SEMSA groei van krag tot krag.
Okay, thank you so much.